What's up, it's the 1B, and I'm back doing some more thumbnail creation in Adobe Photoshop. This is my video editing thumbnail template. So it's basically for any type of videos where I'm doing some video editing. Typically I'm video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. And so first what we're going to do is basically everything's set. All I have to do is change the title on these, and then we're good to go. Sometimes I change the background depending on the type of video that I'm doing. But for this one, there is no background, so we will Control T, which is going to give me the text. Or sorry, just T. Control T actually does transform. So we want just T, which is going to give you your text tool. And this is for a video. This is for me video editing DEF CON thumbnail creation. I like to get my text box tight. Just helps with alignment. And that's about it. We're going to hit Control S to save. And we're going to file, export. Go to video editing thumbnails. We're going to create a new folder. It's going to call it DEF CON thumbnail creation. And, did I saved? Dang it. It's going to save over a previous one, but whatever. It's okay. It's not that big of a deal. It's a fairly easy template to adjust if I need to. And then, let's go back. Go here. Oh man, that's what name's wrong too. Rename DEF CON thumbnail creation V1. A PSG, it's a PNG. And save. All right, yeah, so these are some just quick thumbnails that I'm working on. I have a bunch of other videos that I need to get out. For now, I'm just trying to make sure that I have enough to get me through the week, and then the rest of the week I'm going to be video editing, and then this weekend I'll be video editing. So now that I'm caught up on work stuff, I'll be knocking out videos to make sure that I have a cushion again for my next wave of work. And yeah, so look forward to some of these videos coming out, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.